Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with life and style. Today in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful designs of crochet baby girl shirts and sweaters that are really adorable in cozy garments created specifically for little girls using crochet techniques. These handmade pieces are made with soft yarn or thread, and these designs are latest in nowadays and are very popular among the little girls, ensuring comfort and warmth for the baby girl. Like crochet baby girl shirts are typically lightweight and perfect for warmer weather, while crochet sweaters provide additional insulation during colder seasons. They come in variety of styles and designs such as pullovers, cardigans, or hoodies, and can feature charming patterns, intricate stitches, and cute embellishments like buttons and flowers, bows, or appliques. Like you can and some twice and with the granny square and different kind of patterns in it. You can draw any shape on it. It's all up to you guys, because I have presented almost all the designs with various shapes and with different color of scheme. And these shirts and sweaters makes for precious and unique addition to a baby's wardrobes, keeping them stylish and snug. So if you're planning to buy and want to invest in a good clothing material, I would definitely recommend you guys to purchase, or you can even crochet it by yourself if you love to do crocheting. So these are very popular and trending nowadays. Your child will look so adorable, as you can see in the images. And yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet shirts and sweater design from this video. So yeah, thank you. Follow for more and watch the complete video to get the more updates from an upcoming video.